at ELCC 2025, I am presenting the results of the COCOON trial. COCOON is a very pragmatic trial assessing whether prophylactic dermatologic management can reduce the incidence of grade 2 or higher dermatologic adverse events in combination with amivantamab plus lazertinib. So at this first interim analysis, this is 138 participants who received either a prophylactic dermatologic regimen with widely available agents, including doxycycline for the first 12 weeks, clindamycin lotion on the scalp, ceramide-based moisturizer on body and scalp, and chlorhexidine for the nails, versus the standard of care, which is often reactive treatment of the adverse events when they occur. This in combination with first-line amivantamab plus lazertinib. And at the first interim analysis, the COCOON met its primary endpoint. We have a significant reduction by 50% in the incidence of grade 2 or higher dermatologic adverse event with the COCOON regimen as compared to standard of care, moving from 77% to 39%. We have also a twofold reduction in grade 3 side effects. We have a lower rate of treatment dose modification and treatment discontinuation. So it shows that we know now how to manage those dermatologic adverse events with amivantamab plus lazertinib. We had seen also additional data to prevent the infusion-related reaction with dexamethasone given for 3 days before the first injection of amivantamab. We know that VTE prophylaxis with anticoagulants is recommended part of the amivantamab plus lazertinib combination for the first 4 months. And this had been implemented in COCOON with a very low rate of VTE that was actually similar in the 2 treatment arms. We see that the benefit with the COCOON regimen is observed across all pre-specified subgroups of patients, including Asian and non-Asian patients, women and men, and also the reduction in each of the different categories of dermatologic adverse events, facial and body rash, a reduction by 65%, scalp adverse event by a reduction by 70%, and paronychia reduction by 25%. So it's clearly something that is easy to use and easy to implement in clinical practice. I think that the proactive management of toxicities is something that we are implementing with innovative agents. We discussed amivantamab plus lazertinib, but it's exactly the same way of implementing prophylactic measures for antibody-drug conjugates that may be associated with stomatitis, dry eye, so quite new side effects for thoracic oncologists. And we have learned that it is better to give prophylactic mouthwash or artificial tears rather than waiting for the development of the adverse events. So we are moving from reactive treatment to prophylactic treatment. It requires some obviously multidisciplinary management as well, and it's very important to involve the practicing nurses, dermatologists, to make sure that the process is smooth and that from the prophylaxis to the treatment, we have a good coordination between specialties. Obviously, it's a very early time point right now. We have a median duration of treatment of 4 months at this interim analysis. So obviously, we need to have a little bit more follow-up to have additional data regarding the long-term benefit of the COCOON regimen versus standard of care. Very important also to understand what were what was the incrementation of additional measures in case of side effects. So we have many data to analyze. The COCOON trial is now fully enrolled with 201 patients, and obviously at next meetings we will see additional data from the COCOON trial.